Hi guys, how are you today? Today I'm gonna show you how to make a bootable Windows flash drive. Thank you for watching our video. First, you need to download the Rufus application from the original website. I will put the download link in description. Then you should open the application. The application is portable and you don't want to install it on your device. Now you should select the device which you want to make it bootable. You should connect your flash drive to the computer and select it from the list. Then you should select your ISO file. You need to download your Windows ISO from the original website. Then you should choose select button and select your Windows which you want to make it bootable. Now we want to make Windows 10 bootable on this flash drive. Select the Windows. Here you have two options. If you put the partition on GPT, you can install the Windows on new motherboard, UEFI. And if your device is old and your motherboard is not very new, you should use MBR and install the BIOS version. Here you should put a name on your drive. And leave the file system on NTFS. Then press Start. Then you have a notification which shows you that the drive will be formatted completely. If you have important data on your flash drive, copy the data on your own device and wait until the copying is completely done. If you have any other question, write it down. I will answer to the questions. Thank you for watching our video.